Hello, welcome to the weather update for February 13th. And yeah, I know it's late. We're waiting for hopefully get some updated snowfall reports. This is this evening. Well, after 6 o'clock, still snowing in Belmore. Absolutely ridiculous. This snow would not taper off at all. It just kept snowing. Another picture of it. There you go. And it was coming down moderately at times this evening. The storm is slowly inching this front, and this low pressure are slowly inching offshore. And I do mean inching. This thing has just been moving a lot slower than any of us thought it would. And if we look at the radar, you still see some snow over the east end right now. Still. And another area of light snow off the Jersey Shore. Still. So this thing is just taking its sweet time, and therefore, and you can see those heavier snow bands over southeastern New England right there, where they're going to be getting a little more than they bargained for sure. If we look at the radar here, the old radar, you'll see what we were dealing with most of the day. And you can see just this light snow just lingering over us right into the evening. So, yeah, what a pain in the neck for sure. Let's get to the latest snowfall reports and see if we actually could finally updated this. Yeah, they finally did it at 10:05, so that's why I had to wait. It's like I had to keep waiting. And you could see some of these amounts are higher. We're going to just focus on Long Island here. Some of these amounts were way higher than I was expecting. Expecting an inch or two. Well, Syosset, 1 mile north of Syosset, 4.8 inches. In Glen Cove, it's 4 inches. Levittown, 4 inches. Plainview, 3.8. East Williston, 3.3. Manhasset Hills, 3.2. East Hills, 3 inches. North Wantagh, 2.8. Hicksville, 2.8. Don't see Mineola in here, but I would say we got about 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches of snow. And you see, look, upstate we were expecting that. Even Queens, Howard Beach, 3.6 inches. Belrose, 3.4 inches. Little Neck, 3.1 inches. And Suffolk County, Comac, 4.8 inches, 4.5 inches at Sound Beach. Stony Brook, 4.3 inches. It really didn't stick to the roads that much. It's mainly to the grassy areas. And toward the end of this evening, it started sticking to the sidewalks a little bit. Mount Sinai, 4 inches. Center Reach, 3.9 inches. Sayville, 3.8 inches. Calverton, 3.6 inches. Huntington, 3 inches. So, yeah, we got this stuff on the ground again. 2.8 inches in Islip. It's not a lot, but still, thought we were done with it. And we didn't think we were going to get, I can't say done with it. We're not done with the winter yet, but I didn't think we were going to see this amount of snow today. But sure enough, we did. We're going to actually go and look at New Jersey's amounts and see if they have any snowfall reports there. Of course, all right, past 24-hour, they have a map. So let's go to the map here. Get an idea of the map. Looks like they got less in Jersey. Yeah, they got less in Jersey. Only west of Toms River, 2.4 inches. I don't even see any reports over here along the shore areas, 0.4. So they only got like a coating. They wound up getting less snow. But as you go further north, you'll see these are the amounts here for Long Island. You can see we got a lot more. And I have a feeling the east end where it's still snowing, it could pile up even more out there. So, yeah, definitely was not expecting this at all today. It just goes to show you a little more moisture to work with offshore, warmer oceans. We're still dealing with those warmer oceans, too. If I go to earthandoildschool.net, we're probably still above normal with these sea surface temperatures. Let's take a look and see. Remember, warmer oceans means more moisture in the air, more energy for storms. Oh, yeah. Still way above normal offshore. Still way above. Look at all those bright yellows. That is 12.8 degrees Fahrenheit above normal. So if we pull this out a little, you look at that, you see that 12.8 degrees there. Above normal offshore. That's crazy. Still well above normal. Look at that, a 15-degree anomaly, 16-degree anomaly above normal. These are the departures from normal. Almost 17 degrees above normal off the Delmarva. So you're dealing with very warm water. It gets energy and moisture to these storm systems, which results in more precipitation forecast falling than forecasts. That's exactly what happened this time. And if we look at the actual sea surface temperatures in these areas, you'll see, look at that, 73. This is off the Delmarva by about 100 miles, east-southeast of the Delmarva. That is insane. So it goes to show you the kind of warmth. It's still 50s offshore. about 100 miles southeast of Montauk Point. That is insane. 53. That's insane. So that's what's adding the energy to these storms. That's all part of climate change. So let's go take a look at what we have with the models. And unfortunately, we're going to dry out. The storm moves away, and we're going to have dry weather. High pressure builds in for next couple of days. And then we start seeing that return flow, which will bring us more warmth again. And this low tracks, it's a very strong low, tracks in the Great Lakes, plenty of rain. That'll take care of whatever snow we have. It won't stick around for long. And then we have colder air building in Friday into Saturday for next week into the weekend. And this is the 0Z GFS, by the way, that we are looking at. So let's take a closer look. I don't want to really focus too much on the long range. We'll do that tomorrow, I think. But let's go take a look at the short range and look at our temperatures. The snow is going to be wrapping up. But let's go look at our temperatures because it's going to be getting cold. But this will be the last really cold air we'll have to deal with for a while. So by the morning, we're probably going to be in the teens, especially with the snow on the ground. And then tomorrow, I don't think we make it out of the 20s. Tomorrow's going to be a pretty cold day, actually. New Jersey, you're probably going to be in the mid-20s. Long Island, we may be a little... Jersey might get to the upper 20s. But Long Island, I think we're going to be more like in the mid-20s. And I think we're going to have some cloud cover to deal with, too. We'll have to look at that as well. I was hoping for a clear day. And then radiational cooling, a good bet tomorrow night. And we're going to see single-digit teens, single digits, least teens, single digits most likely in the Pine Barrens, and maybe even colder than that. And then for Tuesday, we recover a little more, highs around the 30-degree mark. All right, and I think we'll hopefully have more sun then. And let's go now to the sky forecast. We'll look at the RGEM and look at the skies. And the RGEM obviously is a little more optimistic about tomorrow. So you can see some clouds, and then it looks like it's mostly sunny for the day. But you can sort of see some clouds building over Jersey, but less over Long Island. It's just instability, cloudiness, perhaps. I have to look at the dew point. I forgot to do that. All right, we'll do that in a minute. But I think the dew points will be pretty low tomorrow. We already did that in yesterday's thing. But Tuesday looks like the clearer day, generally speaking. And then Wednesday, we'll start seeing some more clouds start entering the picture, I think. This is the RGEM. Let's go to the NAM. The NAM 3. So NAM 3 showing some spotty clouds over Jersey. Spotty. Less clouds over Long Island. And then Tuesday, like I said, looks like the better day. I think we'll have more sun on Tuesday, I'm thinking right now at this moment. So GFS. This is the GFS, and we'll look at the GFS sky. Again, tomorrow you can see more clouds. Tuesday, generally looking like the sunnier day. And then as we get back to the later part of the week, we'll be dealing with those clouds. And then there's that cold front, which we should get offshore, and then hopefully have a sunny day on Saturday. So let's look at our temperatures with the GFS. So you see the moderating trend once we get past Tuesday, and those winds swing around to the southwest. You'll see 40s, and then 50s, and perhaps 60 or better in Jersey. Very warm, be a very warm, humid LLJ type of event with that rain. And then for Friday, we have the colder weather building back in again with 30. Seasonable cold weather. Nothing really, not like what we're going to be dealing with the next couple of days, or the next 48 hours. And again, dew points. Let's take a look at those dew points and see. I mean, this is pretty dry air, so. But I guess we're going to have a little leftover moisture, instability, whatever, to cause some cloudiness. You can see the northwest winds. See the northwest winds Wednesday, still northwest winds. But then we see that southerly flow develop Wednesday and Thursday, especially, and then becomes a warm, moist flow, and then more dry air builds in by Friday. We're going to also look at the Ventu Sky cloud forecast as well, which uses the HRRR for tomorrow as well. And you'll see what I mean with the clouds. So you see it's got some clouds, bank of clouds over New Jersey at 8 in the morning. 10 in the morning, looks like we're mostly sunny. But then noon, we start seeing some more clouds start developing over New Jersey, especially over New Jersey, a little less over Long Island, and then more and more cloudiness over New Jersey, and less over Long Island. So it seems like if you want more sun, Long Island probably be your better bet for tomorrow. So I guess that's going to wrap up this weather update. Take care. and thank you for watching.